Hey everyone and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to access Sora AI for free. So what you need to do is simply you're going to be heading over to openai.com, and once you do you will be able to see that on the left side we have different type of software, the softwares that are provided by OpenAI, and we can simply dive into them. You can see we have ChatGPT, Sora API platform, and many others. So what we can do is simply head over to Sora, and this is the one that we need. So to access it for free, what we need to do is, let's just say if someone has purchased a plan of ChatGPT, it is going to be coming along with that. You can see we have ChatGPT Plus plan, which is going to be costing only $20. So if you purchase that, you will be getting Sora along with that. So it is kind of free. If someone has it and he doesn't use it, you can simply ask them for their account, and you can utilize the Sora capabilities to generate the videos for yourself. So sounds fair, right? And if this doesn't help, I'm sorry to say that it is not available for free for now, but in future if it does, I will be updating you guys, and or I will be updating you if we have an alternative. For now, this is the only solution that we can go with. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. See you guys in the next one.